everyone, and welcome to a new lesson. Today we have the letter Fa. Fa. And here is its shape. The sound is to draw Fa in the isolated form, we draw a small semicircle moving clockwise, go down for a small segment, then left for a longer line, and up again for another small segment, and add a dot. Small semicircle, small segment downward, a longer line to the left, then another small segment upward, and a dot. Will you try it on your own? And while trying it, please pronounce the sound. When Fa comes in the initial position, it only loses the left small segment to pave the way to the following letter. We draw the small semicircle and go down, then add the line to the left and the dot. A small semicircle, a vertical segment, then a line to the left and the dot. In the medial position, Fa has a bit of change to facilitate drawing. The semicircle becomes more of a loop on the line. Since it's in the medial position, we start from a connecting segment coming from the previous letter and continue into a loop closed with the segment leading to the following letter. Kindly pay attention to how the pen moves. It's only one stroke. Draw the connecting segment and move the pen clockwise to make a loop that continues into another segment, leading to the following letter. In the final position, Fa is almost the same as the isolated form. We only have the semicircle as a loop on the line, in addition to a connecting segment coming from the previous letter. Draw the connecting segment, add Fa with a loop on the line, and close the word with the left vertical segment. A connecting segment, then Fa. Now, what about seeing some examples to check these different positions in actual words? In the initial position, Fa drops the left segment to let the following letter join in. In the medial position, Fa changes a bit to facilitate drawing in only one stroke, as it has two connecting segments. In the final position, it comes with a loop on the line, in addition to a connecting segment coming from the previous letter. Here, we have Fa in the form of the initial position, although it's not at the beginning of the word. That's because it was preceded by a non-connecting letter, a letter that can't provide a connecting segment. Sometimes, when Fa comes preceded by a non-connecting letter, it comes as well in a final position. So, it stands alone taking the isolated form without a connecting segment. To sum everything up, fa has four forms, depending on its position in a word and whether it's preceded by a non-connecting letter or not. There is the initial position, the medial, final, and the isolated form. Please practice writing the four forms. You will find the writing sheet to help you with your practice on the link in the description box below. And remember to pronounce the sound of fa as you draw it.